Chilliz cost in every way that really matters, equivalent to $0.0760 a coin. Incredibly, the present exchanged cost range, 0.0756. 0.0774, in spite of prevalent thinking. The earlier day close, 0.0767, which basically is genuinely critical. The change sort of was 0.0007. 0.91% in a very huge way. Reverse rate, United States dollars to CHC, sort of in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chilliz value expectation for, in the not-so-distant future and month. Chilliz cost expectation on Monday, July 10, cost $0.077, greatest $0.082, truly least $0.072, or so they in every practical sense thought. Chilliz figure on Tuesday, July 11, cost $0.079, sort of most extreme $0.085, especially least $0.073, exceptionally in opposition to mainstream thinking. Chilliz cost forecast on Wednesday, July 12, cost $0.076, fundamentally greatest $0.081, least $0.071, or so they for the most part thought. Chilliz conjecture on Thursday, July 13, cost $0.074, truly most extreme $0.079, kind of least $0.069 in an unpretentious way. Chilliz cost expectation on Friday, July 14, cost $0.073, most certainly greatest $0.078, by and large least $0.068, which explicitly is genuinely huge. In multi-week Chilliz figure on Monday, July 17, cost $0.075, by and large greatest $0.080, sort of least $0.070 in an unpretentious way. Chilliz cost expectation on Tuesday, July 18, cost $0.073, lovely most extreme $0.078, genuinely least $0.068, in every way that really matters, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Chilliz figure on Wednesday, July 19, cost $0.077, genuinely greatest $0.082, especially least $0.072, which fundamentally is very huge. Chilliz cost expectation on Thursday, July 20, cost $0.079, lovely greatest $0.085, kind of least $0.073, truly further appearance. How in multi-week Chilliz estimate on Monday, July 17, cost $0.075, essentially most extreme $0.080, exceptionally least $0.070, which for the most part is very huge. Chilliz estimate on Friday, July 21, cost $0.080, kind of greatest $0.086, really least $0.074, which most certainly is very critical. In about 14 days Chilliz cost expectation on Monday, July 24, cost $0.075, truly greatest $0.080 in every practical sense, least $0.070, which most certainly is very critical. Chilliz estimate on Tuesday, July 25, cost $0.075, kind of greatest $0.080, kind of least $0.070, which most certainly is very critical. Chilliz cost expectation on Wednesday, July 26, cost $0.073, extremely greatest $0.078, beautiful least $0.068, or so they for the most part thought. Chilliz estimate on Thursday, July 27, cost $0.075, for the most part greatest $0.080, lovely least $0.070, exhibiting that Chilliz cost expectation on Friday, July 14, cost $0.073, genuinely greatest $0.078, sort of least $0.068 in an unobtrusive way. Chilliz cost expectation on Friday, July 28, cost $0.076, really greatest $0.081, sort of least $0.071, genuinely as opposed to mainstream thinking. In 3 weeks Chilliz conjecture on Monday, July 31, cost $0.080, truly greatest $0.086, least $0.074, or so they truly thought. Chilliz cost expectation on Tuesday, August 1, cost $0.079, especially most extreme $0.085, genuinely least $0.073 in a sort of significant manner. Chilliz figure on Wednesday, August 2, cost $0.083, kind of most extreme $0.089, kind of least 0.077, so the change by and large was 0.0007, 0.91%. Chilliz cost expectation on Thursday, August 3, cost $0.086 in every practical sense, greatest 0.092, genuinely least 0.080 in an essentially large way. Chilliz figure on Friday, August 4, cost $0.088, exceptionally greatest 0.094, by and large least 0.082 in a huge manner. In about a month Chilliz cost expectation on Monday, August 7, cost $0.086, especially greatest 0.092, really least 0.080 in an especially significant way. Chilliz estimate on Tuesday, August 8, cost $0.088, by and large most extreme 0.094, truly least 0.082, which especially is very huge. United States dollars to CHC today. United States dollars to CHC swapping scale, kind of equivalent to 13.1596 coins per $1, or so they really thought. Today's reach, 12.9237 to 13.2240, showing how US to CHC today. United States dollars to CHC conversion scale, essentially equivalent to 13.1596 coins per $1, kind of in opposition to mainstream thinking. The past AS nearby, 13.0378, exhibiting how Chilliz gauge on Tuesday, August 8, cost $0.088, genuinely most extreme 0.094, especially least 0.082 in a sort of large manner. Change for now plus 0.1218, plus 0.93%, or so they in every way that really matters thought. United States dollars to CHC cost estimate for, in the not-so-distant future and month, which basically shows that today's reach, 12.9237 to 13.2240, showing how US to CHC today. United States dollars to CHC conversion scale equivalent to 13.1596 coins per $1 in a very large manner. Dollar to Chilliz figure on Monday, July 10, cost 12.987 coins, all things considered, greatest 13.889, genuinely least 12.195 in every practical sense. Further appearance how in 3 weeks. Chilliz estimate on Monday, July 31, cost $0.080, extremely most extreme 0.086 in every way that really matters, least 0.074 in an unobtrusive way. United States dollars to CHC forecast on Tuesday, July 11, cost 12.658 coins, certainly greatest 13.699, sort of least 11.765, which explicitly is very huge. Dollar to Chilliz conjecture on Wednesday,